Today we celebrate the gift of a father in the person of Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Daddy, we want to say we love you all the way from the city of Johannesburg, South Africa. Here are your children. We love you, Dad. Thank you for all you do for us. Words are never enough to appreciate God for you. You are more than a father. You are more than a pastor. You are more than a teacher. You are more than a prophet. You are God's sent man to us. We love you, Daddy. Our prayer today as you mark another year is that God will give you more life, add more years to your life, and more life to your years. You will live long to eat the fruit of your labor. We are still here to recover from the recovery conference that you came for here in the city of Johannesburg. And everyone here is grateful, and we are grateful, and heaven is grateful. On behalf of every pastor here in Johannesburg and across South Africa and the Sandic region, Daddy, we want to say happy birthday. Love you, sir. What do we say to our father? Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you, sir. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip.